Hey guys, hope you guys are having a great Labor Day. Happy Labor Day to you guys. So today, this morning, I got up around 8. I know that's really early for me, guys. So I got ready and I left the house and I went to Barnes & Noble's. As you guys know, I just love that store because it's so peaceful and I get a lot of stuff done. So then I left there and I did a vlog in my car. So go check that out if you haven't already. So yeah, I got home and my grandparents got this new washing machine, okay? And because our other one, it messed up, like it broke. Like the motor that was in it was making all kinds of noise and it was tearing up, so we had to get a new one. So yeah, so today I tried to figure out how to use the new washer machine, and I don't like it, you guys. Like, I really don't. It's complicated, it's weird, and I got really frustrated with it. And so, like, at first, I put all my clothes in, right? And I put the liquid in, and it comes, like, with this little tray. And you, like, put the liquid in the tray, and then pour it, like, insert it on the side where it says it's supposed to go. And then I had to put my detergent, like, my powder, like, detergent, you know, on my clothes. So, yeah. So, I did that. I cut it on, and it started spinning, so I figured it was washing my clothes and everything, because it was on. And, like, a couple of minutes, maybe a good hour, maybe, something like that, it, like, stopped, you guys. And, like, I thought it may have been done or something, and it was not done. And yeah, I just want to show you guys how beautiful it is outside today. It's like 93 or 94 today, I think. It's really hot today, guys. So yeah. So I tried to figure out what was going on. So I cut it off, which I know that's probably a bad idea, but oh well. So then it started, like, washing again. And so I tried to switch everything, and all of a sudden I mistakenly put it on the hot water or whatever. So I had to redo that, everything, you guys. And the third time I just left it alone. So I let it do its thing, and yeah, guys, it's been torturous for me today, guys. Like, this thing I don't think likes me, guys. So yeah, comment down below if you ever had this problem with a new washer machine or whatever, like the high-tech ones or whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys what this thing looks like, and it's like a Maytag Bravo XL. It's this. So this is what I've been having trouble with today, and now it's spinning. It's on the spin cycle now, so it's almost about done. But as you can see, like, here's the power button, guys. So then in the middle you gotta turn it, this little knob here, and then right here is you have to hold to start. So yeah, and it complicates things. Like, this changes, like, whatever cycle you want it to be on, and over here it does the same thing. So, yeah, it's really complicated, and I just don't like it. It irritated me today, guys, and so now the estimated time is now 11, so I'm waiting for my clothes to be done. Yay! So that has been my afternoon exploring the new washing machine. I mean, like, I don't know, guys. Like, I don't know. Okay, I don't. I mean, my life is more complicated and stuff. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm in the computer room. I'm downstairs. So, yeah, it's just been so much fun, guys. Like, I can't, like, I don't know. Like, it doesn't like me, guys. Like, so, after all that trouble, then I just let it do its thing, and it's doing its thing, so, but yeah. But other than that, I've had a great day so far, so, yay. Yeah, so, but yeah, I wanted to tell you guys to, like, go to my Instagram, okay, like, and follow me on Instagram as well. But anyways, I noticed that a lot of you guys are doing that poll thing on Facebook, like the yes or no questions, and you have to type whatever that you want them to, like, vote on or whatever. So I put the poll in my story, so I need you guys to vote on if I should take a shower tonight or bath tonight. So that was my question, so go vote on that. I'll be waiting for you guys' votes on that. So yeah, so it's been a really crazy afternoon so far, so yeah. So, and also follow me on Snapchat, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, like me on Facebook, follow me on Facebook at AKA Country Girl. So everything will be down in the description box down below, as always. Be sure to like this video, be sure to comment, be sure to view, and yeah, make sure to comment down below if you guys ever had any problems trying to figure out a new washing machine. So comment down below on that, and also comment down below on what day this week you guys want me to do the makeup tutorial, and I will be right on that. I will get right to it, and yeah. So comment down below on those two things. So yeah. And yeah, my hair is up today, guys. I wore it down this morning, and then I just, like, put it up. I was like, you know what? I'm not even going to work out. Like, I did all my workouts today, guys. Like, I mean, I've been going bonkers today, guys. So, yeah. So, but yeah, big shout out to all of you that are supporting me and that are watching my videos and viewing them. And just be sure to hit that subscribe button, because I still only have 4 subscribers. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like. Be sure to view. All that jazz. And comment. Don't forget to comment down below on those 2 things that I mentioned in this video. And yeah. I love you guys. Bye.